That sounds familiar.
You know, I discovered their community. Uh-oh, what happened? Are we glitching? Let's get back in there. That was a struggle. Come on, game. What are we doing? Oh, I was about to say, Deja Brew. I feel like I played that before. Oh, goodness. You can combine strings with other strings or numbers. So, number of potions 5. Heroes say, I have blank number of potions. Alright. What are we doing? Where are we at now? And who's that big man in the corner? Are they singing? 10 potions of health on the wall. You can add strings together and add numbers into strings. Sing along, use string concatenations. X potions of health on the wall. X potions of health. Take Y down and pass it around. X to Y potions of health on the wall. That's cute. Alright, so there's 10 potions on the wall. We're gonna take one down and pass it around. So Hero's gonna say potions of health on the wall. What's the next line? Hero say potions, because I don't feel like typing it out. Potions of health. And then the hero say take what up, Blurty B? What's happening? So it says heroes say blank potions of health on the wall, blank potions of health. Take num to take down oh goodness down and pass it around. Has Webster been closed? I guess so, because my child ain't going to school. Take blank down, pass it around. Then blank minus blank. Pass who around? We're passing around potions, so we're not passing around a person. We're singing this song. It's a sing-along. We got 10 potions of health on the wall. 10 potions of health. We're gonna take whatever down, pass it around, and then we're gonna sing blank minus blank potions of whatever on the wall. Which I hope this works. Think minus, because why are we thanks for coming to my last day in my 30s stream. Appreciate it. That's what I should have titled it. Oh well. Potions of health on the wall. I feel like this is all the way jacked up. Think this is gonna work? No. What are they saying? Enclose. Oh, we gotta enclose the function. Alright, let's run it real quick because I don't even think nah. What happened? They're singing it, but I messed up somewhere. Okay, where did we mess up at? Probably this last one. Okay, so we are at 10 bottles on the wall. 10 bottles on the wall. Take one down, pass it around, and then it's, you subtract it, and then it's maybe I need to enclose that and put this in another thing. What are we doing now? What's the problem? If you want to call, I did that.
Mustard on the beat, oh.
Mustard on the beat.
Mustard.
Okay, wait. I think this is fine. Let's do that. 10 potions. Hey. Take one down and pass it around. I think we got it. They're going so fast. I can't sing it. Yeah. They're passing around potions.